a wheelchair, an electric wheelchair. He can run so fast there. Okay. Okay. The young man on the window, what is your name?
Matthew.
What are the fans of Matthew? Left and right. Who do you think will be the first to be out of the game?
Ralph.
Ralph. Why?
He's too cocky right now.
Coffee right now. Thank you very much. And we have the fourth guy. What is your name?
Hendrik.
What are the supporters of Hendrik? Oh, lots of supporters. Left and right. Who do you think will be the first to be eliminated?
I'm gonna say Ralph.
Ralph! Crowd's favorite. Crowd's favorite. What happened to Ralph? Okay, and of course, the last guy. What is your name, sir?
RG.
What are the supporters of RG? Marami kang babalatuhan. You can share your prizes to them. Okay, who do you think will be the first to be eliminated?
All of them.
So strong, all of them. Okay, gentlemen, this is Bring Me With a Twist, Boys Edition. You saw what the ladies did, okay? You saw what the ladies did. A lipstick. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wish granted!